Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to delete your ChatGPT account. So to start, open ChatGPT app, then tap the two-line menu in the top right. So first you need to sign into your account. So click that and go to settings at the bottom. Once you're here, scroll down until you see data controls. Click on that. Once you're on data controls, scroll down until you see delete account. Click on it. So deleting your account is permanent and cannot be undone. So all your data, including profile, conversations, and API usage will be removed. So you cannot reuse the same email or phone number for a new account.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
So if you've been using ChatGPT with the API, this access will also be deleted. So tap delete account to confirm the action, and your ChatGPT account will be deleted or removed, and you'll be logged out of ChatGPT. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.